Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can pay credit card bills in RBC app. In order to pay credit card bill in RBC app, all you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you have to go ahead and log in into your RBC mobile app. After you're logged in, you can just go ahead and tap on Move Money in the navigation bar. So as you click on it, next page you need to tap the action button. Then you need to go ahead and tap on the action button in the navigation bar. So now you need to go ahead and tap on Pay Bills, look right in between. After you do that, you'll be able to see this option. Now you need to go ahead and select Pay a Bill option, and then you need to select from which account you wish to do it and enter in the exact amount. Then select the payee or the receiver, and you need to schedule a date. After that, you need to select the timing, and once you've gone through all of these steps, click the continue button located right at the bottom. And lastly, you'll be taken to the review page where you have to go through it, and if you're sure about it, click on Pay Now. And as you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to see that the payment has been successful. And now if you're sure about it, go ahead and tap the finish button located right at the bottom. So that's how you can pay your credit card bill in RBC or Royal Bank of Canada. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.